Bedroom 15 is not equipped with a new house for delivery. The cash-strapped husband plans to decorate by himself. As a result, if he didn't understand anything, he just flipped over. It's better to pretend like me or not, don't worry. The ceiling is lowered and the floor height is still a chance, but the frame is bottoming and filling. The next year, the bear kid upstairs couldn't hear him skipping rope and punching in every day. No matter how simple the rimmed ceiling is, it is simple and durable, the cost is less, and the composite wood floor has super much formaldehyde. The wife and the quintuplet sister fainted directly when they came, and the strong husband came back, feeling helpless and not knowing who to save first, but decorating the wooden floor, the tiles are durable, and the key is no formaldehyde. My wife and quintuplets are naturally fortunate. Third, the wall is not equipped with wallpaper, which is easy to fall off against the tide, but directly painted with light-colored latex paint, which saves money and is not out of time. It's really ugly that the pipeline is exposed without installing the air conditioner. The key is that the ash inside is difficult to clean, and it is easy to catch a cold when blowing against the bed. Instead, install a duct machine to blow the air on the side to make it comfortable, and remember to seal and lengthen it before turning it off. 5. Don't pretend to go out. The 2-meter-tall husband is very depressed in and out, but he has installed a very narrow through-top door with good intentions, and the high-end atmosphere is also very high. There are no wooden wardrobes, which are expensive and not environmentally friendly, but finished metal hangers are directly on the wall, the cost is low, and the clothes can be hung super much, and the environmental protection is worthless. The key is to flexibly adjust the height of the laminate. The small wooden box partition has a strong shape, the door switch is good, and the installation of gauze curtains is simple and good looking, ranking 7th. If you don't buy a finished bed with a backrest of 20 centimeters, it's a waste. Only 6 square tubes are needed to make the bed frame, and the bottom side foot material is used as support. The outer environmentally friendly wood trim surface is put with a breathable row frame, which is breathable and does not return to the tide. Buying a soft mattress online is the key to a floating bed at no cost. The bedside wooden room surface with light strips is simple but outdated. 8. Don't buy bedside tables that take up too much space and cost money. Instead, install floating bedside tables with light strips that don't take up space. The bay windows are super high in appearance and are not upholstered with marble. In the end, it becomes a pile of debris. Instead, make a chest of drawers underneath, put a retractable cover on it, and put office supplies on it. Even if the uncle said no, it would be very convenient to push forward. 10. Does not install a hanging rod. The curtains are ugly and leak light, and they still occupy a place. Instead, curtains are made in the bay window and do not leak light, so it is comfortable to sleep.